Okay, and yes, I have fried my hair so many times trying to learn how to curl my hair. I've watched a million tutorials and a half, and I just want to show you guys my tips and tricks so you can avoid having fried hair in the summer, because that ain't cute and it doesn't smell cute either. Hi everyone, Shereen Farahani here, and I am here to help you guys recreate this beachy look with the straightener. So toss that curling iron aside and let's get into it. So before we plug in our straightener and start curling our hair or attempting to curl our hair, I want us to get acquainted with the straightener and make sure that we are holding it correctly. So the thing that I don't want us to do is I don't want us to death grip it like this. Our straightener is our friend. We want to be kind to it. So what I recommend is using the logo as a reference point and slightly placing your fingers above it, kind of like this. My fingertips are going to be loose because that's going to give you the most mobility and flexibility to curl your hair. So a small piece of hair, especially when you're first starting out, you don't want to get overwhelmed with the huge chunk of hair. An inch from the roots, one full turn, grab that hair from under and just pull down. All right, we are actually doing this. We're going to start to curl our hair. Also, I never introduced my straightener, but what I'm using is a Croc Classic. It's just a regular flat iron. Any flat iron will do, but I do recommend that you get one that has rather thin plates because it makes it easier to get really nice curls. And the temperature wise, my hair is rather thick, so I do it 400 Fahrenheit. But maybe if you have thin to medium hair, 350, 375 will do the job. Okay, I don't know why I'm nervous to start, but I am. As you can see, my hair is a little curly, so I just like to go ahead and curl those roots. And then an inch from the roots, that is when I'm going to flip, grab the hair from behind, and pull down. And you are going to see magic happen. Oh my goodness, do you see that curl? All right, do you guys see this? How good that looks? The secret to the beach curls, I'm sure you guys have heard this before, is one inward, one outward. So every other. But when I'm doing my first layer, I just like all my hair to go in one direction. So when I part it this second time around, that is when I'm going to start to do one inward and one outward. So I'm going to demonstrate this on the right side of my hair. Same motion, it's just going to feel a little different in the beginning. Support and pull. Same beautiful curl. Show you guys that one more time. So really it's just one full turn and pull. My second layer, this is when we're going to start doing the one inward, one outward motion. So curl. I'm sure you guys are sick of this by now, but one full turn and pull. Straighten the ends if you like that beach look. I'm going to do one inward. We're almost done. We're going to focus on the parting. So however you want to part your hair, I like to part mine on the right side. And when I'm focusing on the front of my face, I like to make sure that all my curls are going in one direction. Oh, we have a visitor. My cat. The real star star of the show. And we are going to finish off this beachy summer look with some texturizing spray. I love this Living Proof Texture Mist for beachy styles, perfect. Honestly, my hair doesn't need a lot of texture, but I just use this because it smells so good, and who doesn't love a good hair smell? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you end up recreating this look. I would love to hear some tips or tricks from you guys that you do yourself. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to chat with you guys next time. I think I just pulled a muscle doing all that like YouTube slow-mo thing that they got going on. I am a mess, and I've been in quarantine for far too long.